north of Pools Island, Maryland, until midnight. At 10:31 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 34 nautical miles northwest of Gunpowder River to 28 nautical miles northwest of Middle River, moving east at 70 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Turkey Point, Spessooty Island, and Aberdeen Proving Ground. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.